What's going on, people? In today's video we're going to be talking about an exciting feature that's coming to After Effects. It is called Rotobrush 2.0. With this feature you will be able to cut out the foreground from the background of any video using the Adobe Sensei machine learning technology. The update is available in After Effects beta at the moment, but it will be available in the full version after the next update. Go to your Creative Cloud and click on After Effects beta install. I have installed it already, that's why I have the option for open. If you don't have it, you will have the install option here. It is an exciting feature because it allows us to edit our videos, our footages, without having to rely on green screen, which used to be the case in the past, and it was very complex, it was very tricky, but this technology makes it very, very easy for us. So without further ado, let's jump in and have a look. So once you're in After Effects beta, I have got my composition here and I have my video footage which I want to edit. This footage is from Envato Elements. I have downloaded it from there, and if you also want to save on your Envato Elements subscription, please follow the link in my description below, and you can also save on your subscription. So simply drag this footage into your composition window, and to use the Rotobrush 2, go up here and select the Rotobrush tool. Now when you want to use it, double click on your image, on your file. So let's do it. Drag this file, the footage that you have down here, and select the Rotobrush tool at the top. Once you've selected it, double click on the footage in your composition window to activate the layer window. Once inside the layer window, start to draw inside the window that you want to cut out. So once ready, start your tracking. Try to do it as accurate as you can. If not, we can always come back later and make some changes into it. Press and hold Alt key to delete any unwanted selection. Like this. And if you want to add any place, just click on it and drag it down and select that area, and it will automatically add it. You can also zoom in just for better view. So drag, Alt, and remove. There you go. Okay, so once you're done, you can go on page up, page down to actually go frame by frame, or you can also just play it and it will automatically play for you the whole footage. I prefer to just go frame by frame just to ensure that what it has captured is actually right, and then later on play the whole video. On the right hand side, just before we finish, version, you should also always select 2.0. I don't know what's the reason for giving still the 1.0 classic version. It doesn't make any sense to me, but here you go. Quality, go for the best. You can also use motion blur as well, and also decontaminate edge colors as well. Okay, and there you go. So let's just play and see what the results are. It is very intelligent in my opinion. If you just look at this woman's hair as well when she turns her head around, it's even capturing that as well. That is amazing. See, there you go. It's even capturing that little detail as well. So this is all about it. This was just a brief introduction into the Rotobrush 2.0, which is coming into After Effects. I will make another detailed video of all the features and all the options and everything else, but this was just to give you a top level introduction of this feature. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share as well, and look out for the new videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.